channel, Remodel Handz with Mia. If you're new here, my name is Samia and I do all things DIY. I'm so excited to bring you all for this new project. Right now, I'm standing inside the master bedroom of my mother's home, and as you can see, it is pretty outdated. This bathroom hasn't been updated since the 1990s, and I literally have saved this project for last because I knew it was going to be a lot. And it's the first part of this master bathroom series, so let's go ahead and get started. It's demo day. It's time to rip all of this out. We have wallpaper, we have a tub, the towel, everything is going, so let's go ahead and get started with this makeover. To kick off demo, I'm starting off with removing my wallpaper. I'm using a wallpaper steamer and I just put water in it and it kind of steams off the wallpaper. It loosens up the adhesive that's behind it, and I can pull off the wallpaper really easily using this method. Now, I'm sure you can just pull it off without the steamer, but some areas are tougher than others and you won't get all of the wallpaper off pretty good. Okay guys, so I got the wallpaper removed for the most part, honestly. Wallpaper is really tedious and I really actually hate it with a passion. So what I'm gonna get ready to do is start knocking out the towel. I got my PPE here because towel is pretty sharp and then I don't want to be breathing in any of the stuff. So I'm gonna knock it out with a hammer. I don't have anything special. I'm gonna use these basic tools because I don't feel like buying anything extra. Hopefully this won't take me too long, but actually let me show y'all so this is what the wallpaper looks like. So I didn't remove it up here because I'm gonna hammer it out. I'm not even gonna lie to you all, I've struggled a lot with getting this towel out, and I'm using a crowbar trying to just get into the towel just to rip it up a little bit. And I tried all these different methods. I tried with the hammer just to kind of break it so I can get a spot where I can get into the towel. As I moved forward, you'll see that I really got the hang of it and it got easier. We'll just say it got easier. It's day 2 of the bathroom makeover, and today I am about to rip out the tub. I was supposed to start that yesterday, but ran into some issues with ripping out the floor. Now the floor, I realized that there's a mortar bed underneath there with a wire mesh, so I have to also rip that up to get down to the wood subfloor. I'm not sure if I have to re-put that down. I don't even know how to install a mortar bed. I'm sure I can figure it out. I might just put some cement board down just to bring it up to height. and also waterproof it. So I'm gonna get ready to knock out a little bit of this wall so I can cut out the tub. But first I need to cut off the water. So let's go cut it out. Now we're moving into tub demo, which was the funnest part to me. It was a lot of work. I had to pull and break a lot of things, but I'm going to be using a Sawzall just to saw apart my tub and cut it down into smaller pieces so it's easier for me to remove. This is a fiberglass tub, so I use my Sawzall to cut it, and then I kind of break it off and pull it apart from there. Now this was pretty flimsy. I was not expecting my tub to be as flimsy as it was, but once I cut it, I can just break it off and pull it. So this part was not hard at all. Okay, y'all, moving into the last day of demo. Hopefully. No, it's the last day. So what I'm gonna get ready to do is rip up this mortar bed. It's a mortar bed that has a wire mesh under it. So I'm gonna rip it up. It was under my towel. So I'm gonna go in with a crowbar and rip from underneath it. I don't know how good this is gonna work, but I know one thing for sure, I'm gonna be sore tomorrow. The last part of the demo of this bathroom is removing the popcorn ceiling. So I'm going to take some warm water and I'm just spraying it on the popcorn ceiling to loosen it up. And also, once you're removing popcorn ceiling, you want to make sure that you wear all of your PPE, because you can never be too sure. I know mine does not have asbestos in it, so I still want to wear my PPE just because it's a lot of debris and particles. This has been up here for 30 years, so wear it anyway. Removing the popcorn ceiling with just a scraper, and it comes off so easily. This part is so satisfying. And demo is completed. So next week we'll be starting on the bathtub and tiling up that wall. So be sure to subscribe to my channel to keep up with the progress of this bathroom. I'll see you all next week. Bye.